Drop test of toilet cleaner bottles. So I'll drop each bottle 2 times vertically and 2 times sidewise from a height of 1.2 meter. Sample 1, small bottle, dropping vertically. Vertical drop first time. Dropping the same sample second time. Placing sidewise. Dropping first sample first time edgewise. Dropping sidewise second time. After drop test, no leakage found. Now testing second sample. Vertical drop second time. Dropping second sample sidewise. Sidewise drop second time. There is no leakage. Big bottle sample number 1, vertical drop. Sample 1, vertical drop second time. Placing sidewise, sample 1, big bottle. Sidewise drop first time. Bottle deformed from bottom. Testing second sample of big bottle. First vertical drop. Vertical drop second time. Placing edgewise. Dropping sidewise first drop. Dropping second time. A small portion of bottle deforms at the bottom.